In this video, we are going to show you how to set up and use XMeye Pro on your computer. We are going straight to the point so you can get your cameras up and running in no time. Let's get started. The first step is downloading the official software. Head over to xmeye.org. Just a quick note, depending on when you are watching this video, the web address might have changed. If that's the case, simply search for XMeye PC on Google or any other search engine to find the updated link. Once you are on the official site, you will need to download the version compatible with your operating system. Currently, there are options for both Windows and Mac. In this tutorial, we will be using the Windows version as an example. However, the steps are very similar. Even if you are on a Mac, you will have no trouble following along. But if you do run into any difficulties, just leave your questions in the comments below, and we will respond as soon as possible. After downloading the file, navigate to the folder where it was saved. If the file is zipped, go ahead and extract it. Here is a quick tip. If you want to be extra careful, you can run the file through an antivirus. In this video, we are using VirusTotal to analyze the installer, showing that it is completely safe to proceed. Now, simply double-click the installer to begin. When the Windows User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Next, you will see a language selection window. You can choose your preferred language or just leave it as English, then click OK. The installation wizard will now pop up. Click Next to continue. On the following screen, click the I agree button to accept the terms of service. After that, you can choose the installation folder or just leave it as default and click Install. Once the installation is complete, the final window will appear. Make sure the Run VMS box is checked and click Finish to launch the program. After clicking Finish, the login window will appear. In this version, the password comes pre-filled as admin, so you don't need to type anything. Just click the Sign In button to log into the software. As soon as the program opens, a dialog box will pop up for adding devices automatically. If you have IP cameras, DVRs, or NVRs connected to the same network as your computer, and your network settings allow it, you can leave the Add Devices Automatically box checked and click OK. The software will then try to find and add your equipment for you. However, for this initial setup, you can also choose to add them manually later. To do that, simply click the Cancel button to close the automatic discovery window. To add your IP camera, DVR, or NVR, first click on the Home button and then click on the Device Manager icon. At this point, it is important to mention that there are two ways to add and access your devices. You can use the IP address or the P2P serial number. We won't go into the technical differences between these two methods right now, as we will be releasing another video soon explaining that in detail. But for now, all you need to know is this. IP access only works locally within your network, while P2P serial access works both locally and remotely. To keep this video quick and practical, we are going to show you how to connect using the serial number, since it's the most versatile option for accessing your cameras from anywhere. To use this method, you will need your device's serial number. You can find it in the XMeye mobile app, or directly on your DVR or NVR by going to Menu, then Info, and selecting Version. However, there is an even easier way to get the serial right through the software. If your device is on the same network as your computer, you can use the search tool. In our case, the software has already located the device automatically. If your device doesn't show up right away, simply click on IPv4 search. If it still doesn't appear, try the IPv6 search button. If the software still can't find it, you will need to add it manually, which we will show you how to do in a moment. Once your device is found, check the box next to it and click the Select Add button. This will add the device to the list. If you see an invalid password status, don't worry. Just click the Edit button to fix it. In the Edit window, you can change the name of your device. Under Login Type, make sure to change it to Cloud ID to use the P2P Serial Access. Now, just enter your device's password and click OK. If everything is correct, the connection status will change to Connected. Now your device is added and ready to be accessed. We will show you how to view the camera images in just a second. But first, as mentioned before, let's go over how to perform a manual addition for those whose software couldn't locate the device on the network automatically. For a manual add, you must have your serial number ready, which, again, can be found in the XMeye app or on the device itself if it's a DVR or NVR. Start by clicking the Manual Add button. A new window will appear. First, enter any name you like for your device. Then, change the login type to Cloud ID. In the Cloud ID field, carefully type in your device's serial number. Finally, enter your device's password and click OK. If everything is entered correctly, the connection status will show as connected. Now, let's access the camera images. Click on Home, then select Monitor. Right-click on your device and choose the option Open All by Mainstream. This will load all your camera feeds into the software. In our example, we have 4 channels, so the screen is split into 4 sections. If your device has more channels, you can easily change the layout by clicking one of the screen division buttons at the bottom. As you can see, this software is very powerful. You can access recordings, adjust settings, backup footage, and much more. We can't cover every single feature in this video, or it would be way too long. However, we will be recording more videos soon, diving deep into each of these functionalities. To stay updated and not miss those tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, YouTube will alert you as soon as the next videos are live. Also, check out the description and the pinned comment below. We've linked all our related videos there. You should also see a button on your screen right now that will take you to our full XMeye playlist. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next one.